Your life isn't over, not even close. No matter how far you've fallen, no matter how many times you've failed, no matter how broken you feel right now, you can make the greatest comeback of your life. But it won't happen by accident. It won't happen by wishing or waiting. It will happen because you decide to fight, because you decide to race, and because you follow these steps. Life isn't fair. It doesn't care about your plans, your dreams, or your struggles. It will knock you down over and over again. But here's the truth. The greatest comebacks aren't born from ease. They are born from adversity. From the moments when you're flat on your back, staring at the ceiling, and deciding whether to stay down or get back up. If you're ready to make the greatest comeback of your life, if you're ready to turn your pain into power and your failure into fuel, then listen up. This is your step-by-step guide to rising from the ashes and reclaiming your life. Step 1. Hit rock bottom and accept it. The first step to making a comeback is to hit rock bottom. Not to fear it, not to avoid it, but to embrace it. Because rock bottom isn't the end. It's the beginning. When you're at rock bottom, you have nothing left to lose. No more excuses, no more illusions, just raw, unfiltered truth. And that's where real change begins. So accept where you are. Stop pretending everything's fine. Stop making excuses and start facing the truth. Step 2. Define your why. Why do you want to make a comeback? What's at stake? What's the cost of staying where you are? Your why is your anchor. It's what will keep you going when the road gets tough, when the doubts creep in, when you feel like giving up. So define your why. Write it down and keep it close. Step 3. Take radical responsibility. It's easy to blame your circumstances for where you are. It's easy to point fingers at your boss, your parents, or the world. But here's the truth. You're responsible for your life. No one is coming to save you. No one is going to hand you the life you want. If you want things to change, you have to change them. So take radical responsibility. Stop making excuses, stop blaming others, and start taking action. Step 4. Build a plan. A comeback doesn't happen by accident. It happens by design. You need a plan. A clear, actionable, step-by-step plan that will take you from where you are to where you want to be. So, start small. Set clear goals. Break them down into manageable steps. And focus on one step at a time. Step 5. Surround yourself with the right people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you're surrounded by losers, you'll become one. But if you surround yourself with winners, with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be better, you'll rise to their level. So, upgrade your circle. Surround yourself with people who are living the life you want to live. And don't be afraid to cut ties with people who drag you down. Step 6. Embrace the grind. A comeback isn't glamorous. It's not about motivational speeches or viral moments. It's about the grind. The daily, relentless, often boring work of showing up and doing what needs to be done. Most people quit at the first sign of resistance. They give up when it gets hard, when it gets boring, when it gets uncomfortable. But not you. You embrace the grind. You thrive in the struggle. Because you know that greatness isn't born in the spotlight. It's forged in the shadows, in the quiet moments when no one else is watching. Step 7. Never stop learning. The world is changing faster than ever. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. And if you're not learning, if you're not evolving, you're falling behind. So, learn relentlessly. Read, listen, watch. Surround yourself with people who challenge you and push you to be better. And don't just learn for the sake of learning. Learn with purpose. Learn with intention. Learn to apply what you've learned to your life and your work. Step 8. Celebrate small wins. A comeback isn't a single event. It's a series of small wins. And if you don't celebrate those wins, you'll lose momentum. So celebrate every step forward, every goal achieved, every obstacle overcome. Because every win, no matter how small, brings you one step closer to your comeback. Your life isn't over, not even close. No matter how far you've fallen, no matter how many times you've failed, no matter how broken you feel right now, you can make the greatest comeback of your life. It won't be easy. It will require courage, effort, and praise. But it will be worth it. Because the only thing worse than waiting for your comeback is living without it. If you're ready to take the first step, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and keep fighting for your comeback.